Don't take me serious, I'm falling down the rabbit hole to nowhere. I still have faith in love, but my selfish heart makes it hard for me to share that love with somebody new. I don't want anyone, nobody but you, and I don't plan to give up tonight. Don't listen to my chaotic mind. I don't know where I'm going, but I know where to be found. Don't tell me that you think it's time, for it is not time until I turn things around. I don't want you with somebody new. The mere thought of that image brings me right back to where I never wanted to be, never wanted. I don't know if I still have a choice, or if my reflection is me or someone else. I will never want somebody new. The tears and the heartbreak were all worth it for you, for you, for you. Would have thought your adventure turned into a forever stay? And I've been thinking a lot, and I've been drinking myself down the drain. You used to live within the clouds, yet still somehow had stayed grounded for more than 5 years. And I'm terrified for you now, a shell of the woman I once knew. I hope I'll find you some